Hello and welcome guys to this interesting session of JavaScript part 15. In this session, I'm going to discuss what are the best practices of using JavaScript. This is the part 15 of JavaScript session. If you missed my previous session, I will give the link on video description. Please check it out. And I strongly recommend to check it out my previous session before coming to this session. Guys, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon for future notification so that you will not miss my future videos. Without wasting any more times, let's get started. What are the best practice? Avoid global variables. Avoid declaring global variable. Minimize the use of global variable. This include all data type, object and function. Global variables and function can be overwritten by other script. Use local variable instead and learn how to use closure. Always declare local variable. All variable used in a function should be declared as local variable. Local variable must be declared with var, let or const keyword. Otherwise, they will become global variable. Declaration on the top. It is a good coding practice to put all declaration at the top of each script or function. It gives a cleaner code. It provides a single place to look for local variable. Make it easier to avoid unwanted or implied global variable. Reduce the possibility of unwanted redeclaration. Next, initializing variable. It is a good practice to initialize variable when you declare them, like var x equal to 2. It's give the cleaner code. It provides single practice of initializing variable, avoid undefined values, declare object with const. Declaring object with const will prevent any accidental change of type. Don't use any object, use double quote instead of new string. Use 0 instead of new number. Use false instead of new boolean. Use colleagues bracket instead of new object. Use square bracket instead of new array. Use bracket instead of new regular expression. At last, be aware of type conversion. JavaScript is loosely typed. A variable can contain all data type and variable can change all its data type. So be alert on automatic type conversion on JavaScript. So these are all about the best practices of JavaScript. I hope you like this. If you do, give me a like and share this video with your friends. Thank you very much.